Hare Krishna. Today we discuss I would like to be a topic in class 7 English. In the previous class we discuss read and understand the topic. Today I recall it. Uh, Listen it. I would like to be a monkey and climb the tree so high, jumping from branch to branch till I reach the sky, playing and skipping all day long, dancing and eating too. I would like to be a monkey. What about you? I would like to be a tiger and roam the jungle deep, lying in sunlight all day long, warm and fast asleep, searching all night through. I would like to be a tiger. What about you? The topic is like this. The poet wanted to be a monkey and act like monkeys, like jumping, climbing, and playing, skipping all day long, and get or enjoy the life of a monkey. He also asked the question, what would you like to be in your future? Then he want to be a tiger, and like a tiger he roam in the jungle and lying on the sunlight and searching for his prey in the jungle at the night. He also asked a question, what would you like to be in your future? Now we come to the comprehension question. If the child become a monkey, where would it climb? The answer is simply it would climb to the tree. Where would it jump? It jump from branches to branches in a tree. What would it do all day long? Jumping, skipping all day long. If the child were a tiger, if the child become a tiger, what would it move about? It move in the jungle, deep in the jungle, or roam in the jungle. What would it do all day long? It all day long lying in the sunlight. When would it search for food? It search for food in the night. In session 2 post reading, visual memory development technique, MCQ questions part. The first question is, the child wishes to be what? Wishes to be both a tiger and a monkey. Then the next question is, a monkey days, flies in the sky, dances in a river, swims in sea, jumps from branches to branches of a tree. The correct option is the option D. Correct option is the option D. And the child wishes to both. D. A tiger roams the forest. The tiger roam in the forest. B. Option is right. And the child wishes to be a monkey or a tiger because they have a lot to eat. They live in safe forest houses. They get air and water free. They lead a free life. Answer is the they lead a free life. They wanted to lead a free life. And like this, provides below are some phrases from the poem. Put them under two heads, monkey and a tiger. Roam in deep jungle, dancing and eating, climb the tree, lying in the sunlight, playing and skipping, searching for food at night, jumping from branch to branch. Monkey, phrases. The phrases are related to monkey are the climb the tree, dancing and eating, playing and skipping, uh, jumping from branch to branch. These are the monkeys activities. Monkeys activities are the dancing, eating, climb the tree, jumping from branch to branch, playing and skipping. All are related to monkey. All are related to monkey. And what are the activities of the tiger? Tiger activities are like this. Tiger section roam in deep jungle, lying in the sunlight, searching for food at night. These three are the activities of the tiger. Next question is the silent water climb. B the silent. High. G is the silent. G is silent here. G is silent. G is silent. Do. R. R is throw. G is silent. Sunlight. G is silent. Chalk. A is silent. A is silent. Comb. O is silent. Here O is silent. Like this. Next, rhyming words. Rhyming words in the poem are the, what are the rhyming words? Here, high sky. These are rhyming words. High sky. Here, deep sleep. These are the rhyming words. The national animal of India, tiger. A part of the tree where birds build their nest. Branch. It gives us flower and fruit. All these done yourself, and in the next class I discuss about the vocabulary section in the next class. Today's class is over. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.